Hello. Now that we have understood what cost and markup pricing is about, in this lecture we will learn how to set it up following two steps. First, we create the product cost records, and then we update the product pricing method from list to cost. And finally enough, we will do a demo together. Let's say that AW computing firewall cost is $2,100. The company wants to provide its sales team with the flexibility to determine the selling price as long as it covers the costs. That is why the company decides to set up cost and markup pricing. So first, to do that, we head to the product tab, and from there you search for the product firewall. Once you are there, you want to head to the related section. In order to implement the cost and markup pricing, we need first a place where we're going to store the cost of the product. Luckily, Salesforce CPQ provides us with the cost object. So once you are here, you hit new, and then the cost of the firewall product, we set it to 2,100, and then you hit save. That's it for the first step. For the second step, we want to go back to the details, edit, and change the pricing method from list to cost. By default, the pricing method is set to list. Now we change it to cost, and then you hit save. Excellent. Right now we have managed to set up cost and markup pricing for our product. Let's see how it's going to look like in the configurator. So you want to head to codes, and from there you search for the code number 16. Then edit lines. Then let's add our firewall product. Notice that this is the standard price related to the product, but it's going to be overridden by our cost and markup price. So once we are in the configurator, you want to hit on the narrow button. And as you can see, we first have our original price, which is the standard price book of this product. And then we have the cost that we have just created a few moments earlier. And then there is the markup field. We can decide to mark up either using a percentage or an amount. Let's say that we're going to add 1,000 euro to the price, and then you hit calculate. Notice that the list price field is not affected by the cost and markup fields. Salesforce CPQ uses the special price field to hold the result of the cost plus markup, allowing comparison between the special price and the list unit price. This is useful when creating validations or approval process to ensure sales reps are using markup within reasonable bounds. That's it for this lecture. We learned how cost and markup pricing is a fundamental strategy that aligns the selling price with production costs and desired profit margins. We learned also that it's particularly valuable for businesses looking for a straightforward approach to pricing that ensures profitability on each item sold. So whether the companies are selling bread, clothing, or electronic, mastering this method allows them for a transparent, predictable financial planning. In the next lecture, we will dive into another pricing strategy, contracted pricing. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.